Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be completing part 4 of our Under the Stars scrapbook album, and just like the Vintage Blooms album, there are only 20 more pages left to do, so page by page we're breaking it down and getting it done. If you're wondering how I choose what paper to use next, I just basically pull the one right off the top of the stack. I pre-cut all of my pages down to 8.5 by 11, and I pre-cut all the photo mats and match those up right in the beginning when I start an album. So I just put them all into a stack randomly. Like, I don't go through and try and create a pattern or anything with all the designs. I just stack them up and then I pull from the top. If I have a specific picture in mind that I want to scrapbook and I think a piece of paper will look better with it because of the pattern or the colors, I'll choose that and like go through the stack and find it. But otherwise, I just pull from the top. Today's picture features me and my boyfriend, of course, because that's what this album is all about. But this picture we took when he was going to the school in the Netherlands, and I went to go visit him, and this specifically we took right when we took his bike. We both rode on one bike. I sat on like the little piece you're supposed to put like a bag or something, and we rode for like 30 minutes like that, and we were like over a bridge, so we stopped to take a break, and it was so pretty, so we just stopped and took a picture. So I love this photo, and it's such a happy memory. Because I know you can't really read it that well with the lighting, that little purple box says "You are my moon," which I think is pretty cute. So on top of this heart, I just added some clouds for a little bit of dimension, and then I added on a little moon that I cut out from one of the like strips of paper. Like, you'll see it later when I use the paper, but it's just like a big piece of paper with a bunch of strips, like a 12 by 12 paper. I don't know why I'm saying big. Like, it's a 12 by 12 piece of paper with a bunch of strips you can cut apart, and so one of the strips had moons on it, so I cut that out. And here I'm just trying to see if I like the layout where it is, and of course I don't. It's too simple. I don't like it. So I added on some little gems because I love using gems in this album. Adds so much a little sparkle. It's awesome. So I love gems. These ones specifically had little stickers on the back, but I do have a little tub of just ones without you know, the stickies on the back. And then to pull in some more clouds, I added clouds to the top and a little star because the whole layout is about stars, moons, and all that. But yeah, once I add on the star, that finishes this layout. I hope this inspires you to create a happy place for some of your favorite memories to live like me. And if you do create anything inspired by me, make sure you tag me. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, and TikTok. So go follow me there and I'll follow you back. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!